If you're managing 50 or more WordPress sites, you have officially crossed over. You are no longer just a freelancer with a few retainers. You are a full-blown digital firefighter, putting out plugin fires, calming staging disasters, and battling the dreaded "I didn't touch anything" client chaos. But here's the thing, top agencies face the same problems. They just stop pretending that duct tape is a system. Hi, I'm Andrea, and in this video, I'm going to show you how high-performing agencies manage dozens of WordPress sites without burning out, and how InstaWP can help you pull it off without reinventing the wheel. Managing 5 sites, you've got it in your head. 15, you start to build a spreadsheet to track all your updates. 50 or more, now you're running a full-blown digital operation mess. We're talking dozens of environments with no naming conventions, plugin conflicts that turn staging into a war zone, random backups, half-working staging, and did we even test this? Development processes. At this level, even a simple homepage tweak or plugin update can become risky. And why? Because your workflow did not scale with your site count. It wasn't built for this. You either start building real systems or things start breaking faster than you can fix them. Here, what starts breaking when you're juggling 50 plus WordPress sites, and how InstaWP site management stops that from happening. Manual setup waste versus templates and snapshots. The old way, your team spends hours repeating the same installs and configurations. The new way, pin up a pre-configured template or golden snapshot in seconds. No rebuild, no drift. No visibility, 2 unified site dashboards. The old way, every site feels like its own island. And the new way, you see the updates, the activity, resource usage, and vulnerabilities for all sites from one command center. Login chaos to magic login plus role-based access. The old way, shared passwords floating in some spreadsheets. The new way, one-click magic login and mapped roles means everyone gets the right access without the chaos. Staging versus two-way sync and cloning. In the old way, staging doesn't match production, so testing is just guesswork. The new way, clone live sites, test safely in staging, then sync all the changes back with zero FTP drama. Overpaying for idle sites, usage-based pricing. The old way, you have 30 dormant, draining your hosting budget. The new way, pause or expire them in InstaWP. Pay nothing until they're active again. Reactive debugging to logs, rollback to monitoring. The old way, you find out a site broke when the client does. And the new way, activity logs, uptime monitoring, and one-click rollback catch issues before they blow up your inbox. This is where most agencies realize duct tape is not a system. InstaWP gives you the site management features to replace patchwork with structure. So 50 sites plus don't feel like 500, but 5. So here's the difference between agencies drowning in 50 plus sites and those running smooth. They don't just build sites, they manage them with structure. Visibility over guessing. They use just one dashboard to track site health, updates, and reports. Nothing slips through the cracks. Proof instead of promise. Clients don't just get an invoice, they get automated reports showing uptime, updates, and changes. That builds trust. Proactive instead of reactive. Every site runs through a vulnerability scanner and performance scanner, catching issues before they reach the client. Accountability instead of chaos. With activity logs, every plugin update, staging sync, or config tweak is tracked. No more who touched that drama. Control over clutter. Teams manage plugins, themes, and configs centrally without jumping into all the 50 site dashboards, which is madness. High-performing agencies treat site management like operations, not busy work. And that's why they scale calmly instead of firefighting. We built InstaWP for agencies who need more than just staging and snapshots. You need full site management baked in. So here's how it looks like inside the platform. So you have the dashboard, your command center for every site from one view, plugins and themes, update, swap, or troubleshoot without logging into each site. Reports branded, client ready, and auto-generated. Uptime monitoring. Know instantly if a site goes down before the client calls. Vulnerability scanner and performance scanner. Find weak spots before hackers find them, and you can run diagnostics and fix slowdowns super fast. Activity logs, see what did what, when, and that is total accountability. Config manager, you can edit sites or PHP settings on the fly without the FTP headaches. Put simply, instead of juggling 10 different plugins and tools, InstaWP gives you one clean panel where it all lives. It's site management without the duct tape. Once you shift from we build WordPress sites to we operate a web platform, everything gets easier. So if you are managing 50 plus WordPress sites right now, you are either in chaos or on your way to it. You can keep juggling, or you can start building systems that scale with you. InstaWP was built for that shift, not just faster workflows, but smarter ones. Hit like if this resonates. Drop a comment if your agency is scaling and feeling the strain. I would love to hear how you're managing it. And also, don't forget to subscribe. We've got more coming on scaling WordPress the operator way. See you in the next one.